Please help me in welcoming our wonderful friend, Mr. Safety Man himself, Terry Gray.
I want to change the way that people perceive safety.
The presenter's awesome.
You got to get here. Magnificent presentation.
That was a 10 out of 10.
I absolutely loved it.
I want to motivate you today. The Safety Man Woman was never just supposed to be a presentation, but it was to evoke in you a desire to move from where you are to where you see yourself in the future.
I was 100% engaged the whole time. I couldn't get my eyes off of you, and in complete awe.
It was probably the most entertaining presentation I've ever seen in my entire life.
Focusing hard on the value of humanity, empowerment, engaging, and enlarging to infinity.
The presenter actually was engaged as soon as he opened his mouth.
It made me think a lot more about family and making sure I get home safe.
We cannot have this high level of expectation for strangers to care for our family, but then you not care for the stranger of the family member sitting right next to you.
It presented absolute power, generation, motivation, energy, and commitment on who he is.
You're so energizing and inspiring. Everyone in the room was completely engaged.
And I care about people because of the simple fact I know each and every one of you in this room has something that you care about.
But what I say is watch it twice.
And it just gets better and better.
I think it's something that every single person needs to see.
I think people can get from this is just to be engaged.
You got to get here and you got to share the message. He rates up there. If you know who Eric Thomas is, he's right there on that same scale.
Because we have something that we have to do, and we will accomplish it. You will make it happen.
It's an encouraging and motivating and empowering presentation that it's just contagious.
They're not going to make another father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. They can fill a title, but you, they will never replace.
And I loved every second of it, and I hope I get an opportunity to share it with many more people within the Air Force.
I'd recommend move heaven and earth to get to one of these presentations.